that's gonna get cut out anyways. So it's basically gonna be the bottom and the top. So gotta do that, cutting out some more silver. I need to take my sewing machine off of that, disrespectful. I'm gonna sew some more of these that I just unfold and then refold into the seams. So this is what Mara got going. She has a band-aid because she injured herself cutting a sword out. See, I see that spot right there. Here, let me zoom in. It's blood.
It's tied blood.
It's not blood. It's blood that's not on the sword.
The blood of my enemies.
The blood of her enemy, because she's a scout.
You know, kind of scared now.
A little bit. I'd be too as well. So she let me move. Let me move while she makes that. Oh, let's look at her other part.
Tell them how I thought I was good and I only have one sword.
Yeah, so Amara was in the process of, you know, she got 2 boards for her one sword because she needed 2, but, you know, we forget most things. So, you know, she has 1 sword. We're going to cut out a piece on this board. Look at that. Look at that. She did the detailed handles. I was going to figure it out. And then the pieces over here. So right here in this spot's going to be hopefully another sword. She has fans. She has 2 fans. No, she has fans. Yeah. But that's the progress. We'll see you guys later when the children are sleeping. It'll be like a second to you, but it'll be a lifetime for us. So bye-bye. Bye. Hey, so I thought I'd come back with a voiceover so that I can kind of go over my sewing things that I did. So right now I'm sewing the silver strap. It's inside out. I'm going to turn it right side in and you'll see it on the front of the skirt in a V shape. So right here you'll see it on the front of the skirt in a V shape, and of course I have to cut out that blue part of the blue fabric at the top so that it's kind of more flushed into just going into my skin, just a regular drape skirt. And I kind of did a sketch to see as a guide, but I didn't really follow the type of design I did on the top of the skirt. I did the V like she traditionally wears her skirt. So here I'm just sewing on the band to the top. I'm also sewing the dart, same color. Like, I am trying to bullet through this because I honestly have no time. It's already about 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. Usually I wouldn't go haphazard like this. I wouldn't cut like I was in this video. I would cut more, you know, more accurately, a little bit more slower. But I only had like, what, at this point, like no hours because I need to go to bed. But I had about 10 hours or so to devote to this with no sleep. You know, we got a couple hours of sleep in though. But here I'm sewing the rest of the top. So essentially once I cut out the skirt and I cut out the top, all I have to do is finish the seams and put the silver trim on. But right now I'm sewing more strips that I have to turn inside out and kind of create a button attachment so that I can attach the skirt so easily. I just put a button on and made a buttonhole so that the skirt can be put on a lot more simple, and so that it can lay where I want it to lay. So it needed to lay on the top of my hip, so I had to make the waistband around the skirt smaller. So right now I'm just finishing up the sleeve holes. Then next we're going to see how Amara's doing with those swords. Hopefully they are coming out great and she can do my fans too. Sorry for this chopped up footage, but that's what we're dealing with. Here is Amara's work. So far she has 1 sword here, unpainted, and 1 sword here, unpainted, and the pieces and cutouts. She followed a wonderful tutorial brought to you by Epic Fantasy Attack on Titan sword. Bless. Now I just need a fan. Let's see how this goes. KITANA. Like, where did Amara go? Love Animazement because they have big Pikachus. Big Pikachus. Careful. Good. Going back in line. Yes, we're going back in line. Yes. Videos.
Thanks, I got it.
And we are going downstairs, down the elevator. We gotta find it.
This is Ana trying to stab people. Because it's cool.
Oh, they have a kids room. Going down here. We are here. Look at a mirror in her wardrobe. A mirror. A mirror. Da da da. Da da da. Yep, we are here.
I'm so hot.
So hot. So hot. Okay, we're going to the other side of the building and we will check up there.
I just heard someone walk by with
Yay, success. We're here, they're getting themselves together because they're about to pose. See, dang it, I shouldn't have talked.
You know what?
It's a video. But you still have to get ready. I'll take a picture. I'm going to take a picture in the video. So pose. Yeah, buddy. Yay. So cute. Oh, shoot, I don't got your shoes, Amira. Okay. Huh? Oh, yeah. Sorry. And these are all the dispensers. We're going to go see what we can find in this wonderful shopping palooza. Look at all that awesome stuff. And hopefully it'll be mine. That's so cool. Yeah, we'd have to buy it though. Said we have to buy it though.
You buy it?
Yeah. Might have to get something from over. We conquered. So now we're going home. Well, you'll see our haul when we get home. Our mini haul. It's an ice cream sandwich. I'll buy the mirrors. Mom's sick.
You gotta bite it. It's ice cream. You gotta bite it. Take a bite. Lick it.
She a mess. Yes. Yeah, they were like, this ain't gonna start without us. They have a rave tonight.
Oh, they trying to catch the bus.
Yeah, or the bus. Or the R line. That was Animazement. Going home with this. Oh, I was about to say, who is that person? It's my mom.
Hello.
Hi.
We came, we saw, we conquered.
Let me stop. Hi guys, so I'm coming back for the ending of the video with a mini haul, lasts a minute long. So this is what I pretty much got. And This is just the remainder of the costume that I didn't tape. I did tube sleeves where I sewed completely down and turned them inside out and basically wore them as 2 half sleeves. And then I have my mask that I cut out into a square and then continued that around to the straps. And I did this in like 10 seconds, so I didn't really care how it cut, but you can see in the video how it turned out. I've got a bookmark, if you're unfamiliar. That's a Spirited Away token. I love Spirited Away. Then I have Kirby, a Kirby keychain. I love it so much. And then you turn around and it's sad Kirby, and then it's happy Kirby. And then I got 2 buttons, of course, Toad, really cool. And then I got Goku, it's my favorite. Of course, Gogeta's my favorite, but Goku. And then Gigi, this one is, I love it the most. It's a little, he's in a little cage and you can hang it and you can drop him, and of course he will not fall out. My nerdy self. Okay. But yeah, this is basically what I got from Animazement. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot put together, but I just kind of wanted to show you how I made the outfit in like no time and got to Animazement and got some good stuff and had fun with my mom and my sister and my daughter. So thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.